how do you feel? Today's the big day.
It's all like a dream. I'm very nervous, man.
You've been preparing for this. You're ready. Go show them who you are.
Yeah, I will. I'll call you after.
Hello. Where do you think you're going?
No! Who are you?
The part of you that's been doing the talking, long before that suit existed.
What am I doing here, please? No, not again. You can't take this from me. Not this time!
I've been preparing for this. I'm ready.
Right. You've been in rooms like this before. You know what happens. You sit down, you look around, and you see them. The ones who actually belong there. And then you feel it. That thing crawling up your chest telling you they made a mistake inviting you. That feeling isn't a lie. That feeling knows you.
I know my work. I know what I put in.
It still wasn't enough last time, was it?
I've earned this. The work I've done. No one can take that from me.
The work you've done. Stay here. Nothing can touch you here. No failure, no humiliation when what you fall short of what they thought you were. It's safe here. I built it safe.
You know what? Maybe you're right. But I would rather take my chances out there than stay here with you. This safe zone where nothing is risked.
T-Boy. The MD will see you now.